I'm Dijon Lagundo.
I'm Elihja San Pedro.
And I'm Gajosta.
Today we're going to introduce to you the function generator
And Oscilloscope.
This is the power button, on and off. Frequency knob, multiplier, symmetry, DC offset, amplifier, pulse output.
Makita ko
This is the squared wave, the sawtooth wave, and the sine wave.
This is the AC power connector. AC power input socket connect the AC power cord supplied to this connector. This is the fuse and line voltage selector. Fuse rating is shown in the front. Line voltage selector to select power sources. This is the power button, the main power of the switch of the instrument. This is the time base of this oscilloscope. This knob is used to position the X and Y oscilloscope. This is the front panel of the oscilloscope. This intent controls the brightness of the spot or trace. This is the focus function of the front panel. The focus is to trace the sharpest image. This is the position. It positions the horizontal trace or spot. This position knob is used for the vertical position of the trace or spot. The position knob. This knob is used for horizontal positioning of the trace or spot. This is the vertical position knob. It is used to trace the spot or the. This is the filter. Filter for ease of waveform viewing. The times 10 mag. When this button is pushed, a magnification of 10 occurs.
Volts per div. This selects the vertical axis sensitivity from 5 volts per div to 5 volts per div in 10 ranges. Vertical mode. This selects operation modes of channel 1 and channel 2 amplifiers.
This oscilloscope cannot function without this function generator because this function generator generates waveform that this oscilloscope cannot see.
This function generator will not work without oscilloscope since there is no display screen here in the function generator.
This function generator generates electrical waveform.